Why a road with all the drums hollow? How do they compact the ground below? The key lies in the eccentric wheels in the middle of the drum. When the motor drives rotation, the eccentric wheels rotate together. The periodic centrifugal force generated greater pressure on the ground. If there is only one set of eccentric wheels, force at contact moments strong and tough. Potholes form across the road, rough the load. Moreover, vertical vibration, top to bottom goes. Resonance phenomena it may impose. Damaged buildings all around it shows. Danger grows. Engineers added second wheels inside. Both sets rotate the same side. Restrain each other, vibrations unified. Smooth they're bound. No more vertical down, it falls back and forth. Oscillation